Hello friends, my name is Rafi Yakub from Exact Graphics and Multimedia. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a professional logo in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get the tutorial started. So I'm going to start this tutorial from the scratch. So let's drag this one to the one side. Next, I'll go to my toolbar and I will right click on the shape tools and select my polygon. Then I'll go to the property and remove the fill. Then I'll add my color to the black. Then I'll come to the artwork area and make my polygon. I'll make sure my polygon size is 6. Then I'll click on OK. So I'm going to have something like this. So I can press Shift key and alternative key on my keyboard to expand the shape. Then I can rotate the shape into 90 degrees. Gosh. Next thing I can do, I can go to my menu bar and click on edit and copy, edit again, then I'll select paste in place. Then I'll press Shift key and alternative key on my keyboard and drag in. Then I'll go back to my toolbar and select my pen tool. And I'll make a path. I'll start from any point. Then I can select everything. Then I'll select my shape builder tool. Then I'll go to the color property here. I can fill black now. Then I can fill all the shape with black. Then I can press Shift key and select each of the shape. Then I can drag it out. Now I can select this and press Delete key on my keyboard. Finally, I can apply color to my logo. What I'm going to do is to select my gradient color here. Then my eye color dropper, I'm going to select this color. Then I'll position it. I'm going to select this. Good. 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 So you can change the position of this gradient also. Finally, I can select everything. I'll go to Objects and click on Group. So you can resize the logo to whatever size of your choice. So this is how you make a professional logo in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.